सब्सक्राइब करें एडीटेक को और आगे का बेल बटन भी दबा दीजिए जिससे कि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो मिले आपको सबसे पहले।
Hello guys, my name is Atul Dige. Welcome to Editech channel. We are from Sai Solutions. So let me introduce a new project of final year engineering. So this is a railway track crack detection system. You can see here railway track crack detection system using and reporting using GSM and GPS. Okay, so this is a track. So here you can see this is a both two are railway track. I will assume as a railway track. Here we make a two cracks. You can see here is a crack 1. Okay, here is a crack 1 and here is a crack 2. Okay, so we make a two cracks here. Okay, this is a track board. You can see here this is a hole is a track, and here is a our model, railway model or a project. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so here firstly we use a two IR sensor here. First IR sensor, this is first and this is second. Okay, so this IR sensor we use for our detection of the crack. Okay, so firstly I show you all hardware of this project and then show how it's working. Okay, so this is first is a controller board. You can see here I will sticker it controller board unit. Okay, in this controller unit we use a Arduino Nano as a controller. And then here is a L29 3D motor driver to run this two motors of the this railway project. Okay, here is a 16 cross 2 LCD and here is a buzzer. Okay, so here is a 5-volt buzzer. Here is a LED indicator for turning on purpose to indication that motor project will turn on. Okay, so this whole is a controller unit. Here we use some connectors. You can see here this connector for a motor. Okay, these two connectors, this connector and this connector, these two connector for motors. Here GSM connections, GSM here and GPS here, transmit receive pin. Okay, so here is a IR connection. This connector is for IR. You can see here signal plus or minus. Here is a IR connection. Okay, so this both this and this are for two IRs. Here is a controller unit. Now come here. So here is a GPS unit. You use a Neo 6 a GPS unit. So here their antenna, it's antenna. Okay, so here is a GPS unit. It is a 5-volt 5 power supply unit. Which is a 7805. Normal contains rectifier, filter, regulator, etc. So it provides power to the GPS module, GSM module and our controller unit. Okay, so here is a SIM 800L GSM module. You can see here GSM module. In this I use a Airtel SIM card 4G. Okay, so put it like this. Okay, so this is a GSM module, and here for whole project running we applied that input 12 volt 2 ampere. For this we use this adapter 12 volt 2 ampere adapter. Okay, so here you can see here input 12 volt 2 ampere. Okay, so firstly we are started project. So when this LED, you can see here this LED blinks continuously. When it delay in 3 seconds, so it has a register to the properly to the network. Okay, and here you can see here it is not blinking. When it is blinking, then it got registered. It got range of the GPS. You can see here now it's blinking, so it got a range, and here it is blinking delay of 3 seconds, so it will okay. So here you can see here GPS initialization right now starting, so it will take a delay of 10 seconds or 10 or 15 seconds, and GSM okay, so it will automatically turn right now going on. You can see here, sorry, okay, so it will stop and crack detected. Okay, so it will getting location and location collected, so it will sending SMS to the authority person. So here you can see here sending SMS. It shows us SMS sent and crack detected. So here this my mobile, you can see here I got a one SMS from this. You can see here a message, crack detected, take action and location link. The location link of is open in a Google Maps. You can see here. So this is my position right now. Okay, so this is my position. So like this it will send continuously a message. You can see here sending SMS again. Okay, SMS sent. So it will send to the authority person. So firstly I will take it back right now. So, okay, so this is a project, it is a whole project of final year engineering, ENTC engineering. So thank you for watching. If anyone want to know guidance related to project or manufacturing of the project, you can contact us. I will show you all, I will provide all guidance related to the project. Thank you.